10 English towns frozen in time since the post-war era. Some English towns never fully left the post-war years behind. The factories may have slowed, the mines may have closed, and the old dockyards may no longer roar like they once did, but the atmosphere remains. Walk through certain streets and it still feels like Britain in the 1950s or 1960s. Old terraces line the roads. Traditional markets still survive. Weathered pubs glow beneath fading signs, while industrial skylines continue to shape the horizon. These are the English towns frozen in time since the post-war era, and by the time we reach number 1, you may feel like modern Britain barely arrived at all. 10. Bishop Auckland, England. Bishop Auckland still feels deeply tied to England's industrial past. Located in County Durham, this historic market town carries visible traces of the coal mining era that shaped much of northern England after World War II. Long rows of brick terraces stretch across the hillsides, while traditional pubs and local social clubs continue serving generations of residents. Certain shopping streets still have the practical, no-frills atmosphere of old working-class England. The town once depended heavily on nearby coalfields and railway industries. During the post-war decades, communities here revolved around hard work, close neighbourhoods, and strong local identity. Much of that character remains today. Even the slower pace stands out. Instead of flashy redevelopment everywhere, Bishop Auckland still feels grounded in routine and tradition. It's not frozen in time literally, but parts of it still strongly resemble the England many people remember from decades ago. And further south, another town feels even more rooted in the past. 9. Gainsborough, England. Gainsborough has an atmosphere that feels surprisingly old-fashioned in the best possible way. Sitting quietly beside the River Trent in Lincolnshire, this town still carries the look of mid-century industrial England. Traditional shopfronts, older housing estates, and red brick industrial buildings dominate parts of the landscape. There's a practical simplicity to the town centre that feels very different from modern city living. During the post-war years, Gainsborough became known for engineering and manufacturing. Factories and industrial jobs supported much of the local economy for generations. While many larger towns rapidly modernised, Gainsborough changed more gradually. One thing visitors often notice is the quietness. The streets feel calmer, slower, and more traditional than many parts of England today. Old cafes, local pubs, and long-established businesses still shape daily life. The town has modern facilities, of course, but the older identity remains highly visible, and the next place takes that feeling even further. 8. Workington, England. Workington still carries the atmosphere of industrial coastal England. Located in Cumbria, this town remains closely connected to its steelmaking and dockland history. Rows of workers' terraces stretch toward the sea, while industrial buildings continue to dominate sections of the skyline. Even the town's football culture feels deeply tied to working-class traditions passed down across generations. Following World War II, Workington became heavily associated with steel production and manufacturing. Families built their lives around factories, shift work, and local industries. That identity shaped the town for decades. One striking image is the sea mist rolling across old industrial sites during winter mornings. It creates scenes that feel almost cinematic, like stepping back into post-war Britain. Workington has modern developments too, but much of its traditional character survives naturally rather than as a tourist attraction. That's exactly what makes it feel so authentic. But the next town may be even more strongly connected to old industrial England. 7. Accrington, England. Accrington still looks and feels like the England built during the industrial age. This Lancashire town carries some of the clearest surviving reminders of post-war northern life. Massive brick mill buildings tower above terraced streets, while traditional indoor markets continue attracting locals each week. Certain areas feel remarkably similar to old photographs from the 1950s and 1960s. The town became famous for textile manufacturing and engineering industries. During the decades after the war, thousands worked in mills and factories across the area. Even today, the layout of the town reflects that industrial heritage. One vivid detail captures Accrington perfectly: older brick pubs standing beside steep terraced streets under grey northern skies. The atmosphere feels gritty, familiar, and proudly traditional. Accrington has modernised in places, but it never completely lost its old identity. And the next town feels even more tied to England's industrial past. 6. Barnsley, England. Barnsley still carries the heartbeat of coal country. Located in South Yorkshire, this town remains strongly connected to the mining communities that shaped post-war England. Traditional markets continue operating in the town centre, while former pit villages surround the area. Working men's clubs, old brick terraces, and local pubs still play an important role in community life. During the 1950s and 1960s, Barnsley thrived on coal mining. Entire families often worked within the industry, and local routines revolved around pit shifts and industrial labour. Even today, certain streets and housing estates look remarkably unchanged compared to old archive photographs. The town has modern shopping centres and redevelopment too, but traces of its post-war identity remain everywhere. Rainy evenings in Barnsley still create scenes that feel unmistakably Northern English. Market stalls closing beneath orange streetlights while terraced rows glow in the distance. And further east, another town still lives beneath the shadow of heavy industry. 5. Scunthorpe, England. Scunthorpe feels built from steel and memory. Few English towns remain as strongly associated with heavy industry as this Lincolnshire town. Large steelworks continue operating, and the industrial skyline still shapes the atmosphere across much of the area. At night, sections of the sky sometimes glow orange from the steel industry that helped define the town for generations. After World War II, Scunthorpe became one of Britain's major steel-producing centres. Housing estates expanded rapidly during the post-war boom as workers moved into the area. What makes Scunthorpe fascinating is how visible that history still feels today. Older estates, shopping areas, and industrial rail lines continue reflecting the town's mid-century industrial roots. There's a toughness and honesty about Scunthorpe that feels deeply connected to post-war England, and the next town may preserve that atmosphere even more strongly. 4. Hartlepool, England. Hartlepool still carries the mood of old coastal England. Located in the northeast, this town remains closely tied to its dockland and shipbuilding heritage. Brick terraces, weathered pubs, and traditional seaside businesses give parts of Hartlepool a distinctly nostalgic atmosphere. The docks and fishing heritage still shape local identity even today. During the post-war era, shipbuilding and heavy industry supported much of the town's economy. Communities formed around hard labour, dock work, and close-knit neighbourhood life. Walk along parts of the seafront during a windy afternoon, and it still feels connected to another era. Older amusement arcades, fish and chip shops, and working-class pubs create scenes that feel timeless rather than trendy. Hartlepool has changed over the years, but much of its industrial era character remains visible. And now we reach a town where that atmosphere becomes even stronger. 3. Burnley, England. Burnley feels like northern England preserved in brick. This Lancashire town still carries some of the clearest signs of England's industrial past. Terraced housing stretches across the hillsides while old mill chimneys continue rising above canals and factory buildings. Certain streets feel almost unchanged from the post-war decades. Burnley became heavily associated with textile manufacturing during the 20th century. Entire communities depended on local mills and industrial work for generations. One unforgettable sight is the old mill skyline emerging through winter fog, while market traders set up beneath cold morning skies. The atmosphere feels authentic and deeply connected to working-class English history. Burnley has modern areas too, but the industrial identity still shapes much of the town today. And now, we reach two places where the post-war atmosphere feels almost impossible to escape. 2. Grimsby, England. Grimsby still feels shaped by the sea. This famous Lincolnshire fishing town carries one of the strongest old-world atmospheres anywhere in England. The docks remain central to local identity, while weathered brick buildings, traditional pubs, and ageing industrial streets continue defining much of the landscape. After World War II, Grimsby became one of the busiest fishing ports in the world. Thousands worked in industries connected to trawlers, fish processing, and dock work. Even today, parts of the town still look remarkably similar to old documentary footage from the 1960s and 1970s. Gulls circle above silent docklands, while old terraced streets glow beneath dim evening lights. The town has modern developments too, but the fishing heritage still dominates the atmosphere. Yet one English town feels even more closely tied to the post-war years. 1. Middlesbrough, England. Middlesbrough may be the strongest surviving reminder of post-war industrial England anywhere in the country. This teesside town still carries an atmosphere shaped heavily by steelworks, docks, and heavy industry. Concrete shopping precincts, industrial skylines, and endless rows of terraced housing create scenes that often feel deeply connected to the Britain of the 1950s and 1960s. Following World War II, Middlesbrough became one of Britain's industrial powerhouses. Steel production and chemical industries shaped nearly every part of local life. One powerful image captures the town perfectly: the famous Transporter Bridge rising above industrial haze, while old brick terraces stretch across the landscape below. Middlesbrough has modernised in many ways, but its industrial identity remains impossible to ignore. The town still feels proud, resilient, and strongly connected to the post-war England that built modern Britain. These English towns, frozen in time since the post-war era, are more than old streets and fading factories. They are living reminders of another England, one built on industry, community, and resilience. And even as modern Britain changes rapidly, places like these continue holding on to pieces of a past many thought had already disappeared. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.